Hello, good evening to everyone. This is on the Instagram. Maybe from somebody, maybe many of the users are getting this sort of thing on the Instagram. You turn on disappear messages, new messages will disappear once everyone has seen them. Means if you want to turn on the vanish mode is now not at all working for few users. For few users, everything is okay. And if you're facing like this similar, one thing you can do is you can just uninstall the app and go to the play store and update the play store update the Instagram app here, or reinstall the just uninstall this and reinstall and relog in and check whether the problem got resolved or not. If not, what you can do is in this messages, click on this change, and it will be something like to set to 24 hours. You need to make it to once they are seen. So this is equivalent to vanish mode. Means if the other person sees the message immediately, the text will get disappeared. So this is very similar to the vanish mode. If the step 1 doesn't work for you, you can go to the step 2.